Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. And if you go to PulseWaveTrading.com right now and type in the coupon code for our pandemic situation right now, we got a quarantine special for you. You can come break bread with us for pennies on the dollar. That's right. Deepest discounts we've ever given. So take advantage of it because it won't last long. All right. Now, real quick, this is a very quick video. I want to focus on Bitcoin in this video. I do have two recos that we'll do first, get that out the way. The first one, the ticker is GRL, and this is trading on the ASX. As you can see here, coming into today's session, we had a crash alert. Not really getting any downside productivity yet, as this one has been flip-flopping all around the place, but it's looking like it isn't quite finished falling just yet. We'll have to wait and see. I don't know if this one is currently on the report or not. Let me just verify that real quick. If it's not, then I can add it. That way you can just follow the report if you're trading this. All right, so just give me a second to make sure it's on the report, because if not, I will go ahead and add it. Hopefully it'll have enough data. If it does, then it'll show up on the next report. All right, so I just added it. So it should be on the next ASX report. All right, so that's right now. The bears seem to have control of this one temporarily. Let's go to the next one. The next one is also on the ASX. The ticker here is NYR. All right. And as you can see, this one has a rally alert for trading for tomorrow. And it's looking like this one wants to try to head back up to around maybe 30 cents. You know, maybe we can get a good nickel run in this one. Just taking it away to, the way some of these are looking, they look very thinly traded. So right now, it looks like the bulls are back in charge, and this one wants to break out. So right now, I would say this one's trying to go anywhere between 27 to 30 cents in it as far as momentum is concerned. Now, let's say if this one is on the ASX as well. If not, I will attempt to add this one on the next report as well. Let's see. Just bear with me just a second. All right, this one too has been added, so it should be on the next report. All right, now let's get into this Bitcoin right quick. As you can see, coming into today, I did warn that this crash alert would produce, and we're starting to see that downside production in the Bitcoin. As you can see here, it's like the last one, we got that alert. Then the market gave up all this downside production and even made a pointer. Now here we go again. This one had a delay by 1 day. Now we're starting to come down. So again, with these, you got to watch the report and just do as the report says and prepare yourself accordingly. It's still in a bull market. Doesn't mean you're not going to have corrections and pullbacks along the way. You can even make an argument that once this is completed, you'll have another buying opportunity like you did here, and you'll get some nice upside production. That's why you have to really follow the reports, and the best time to get in is when you get those alerts. So be forewarned, all right? Now, could this turn into something more substantial? Yeah. If it does, you got the trend line down here, trend line support around that 15.5 level. But like I said, I think the market's just trying to get ready so it can build that support between 20 and 22,000. That's going to be the next support. Just want to let you know that. So right now, market's trying to get itself together so it can decide how it wants to move going forward. Doesn't mean we can't have some extended sideways activity until we get to that point. All right, so right now you got to trade what you see. And right now the Bitcoin is taking a breather. The other issue here too, I want to show you this one just real quick, because really my focus is for Bitcoin in this particular one. But GBTC, the Bitcoin ETF, Been getting the question, is it time to buy Bitcoin? The time to buy Bitcoin is when you get an alert telling you to do so. Here's your GBTC. It's a little bit more pronounced. You had your crash alert, and then here's your downside production. We've got to do something about the gap that you had down here, but the last crash alert, you got that production. So now this one, you're getting that downside production as well. The question, you can make an argument here that if Bitcoin is going to build a support between 20 and 22,000, once it hits like 25,000 or 30,000 threshold, then you can make an argument that the GBTC wants to build a support around $25 as it marches to $30 to $35, with 25 being a key support area for it. So that could be what we're seeing here. All right. We could be seeing that base being built up between 20 to 25, and then we get strong as this one, rallies up to who knows how high. It really hasn't caught up with Bitcoin just yet. All you've done was come from this base here to here. All right. So you've only moved about 15 bucks. All right. Back in its heyday, this thing was over $3,000 per share, ladies and gentlemen, with no splits, no reverse splits, just straight price action. So this ETF does have the potential to really boogie. So I'm thinking that opportunity is getting ready. It's building itself up. So you don't want to jump the gun. You want to follow the report and do what it says to do. And I think you'll be rewarded. So patience is the key. If you're able to short the Bitcoin, then you're having fun right now shorting it. But if you're a long only, that's fine too. All you do is wait for your opportunities, and they will come. All right, just like the rally alert came back here. Just like the rally alert that came back here. This one, and this one, and then this last one right here. So it's coming. You just have to be patient, all right? With that being said, y'all know what it is, man. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.